This is the second round of auditions, and it is the first stage of elimination. Group 3, congratulations for making it this far. You are asked to replicate a garment, which we have a sample on the stand, and the model wearing what you did.
As you can see, the sample, the sample garment, what you've made is not like it at all. It's very far from it.
The size is bad. The lines, you cannot keep the lines. Look at the lines are stagnant. Can you just raise the trouser? You have taken in about 2 inches, and you know the rule of the game.
Now, time for who's staying and who's going.
026, you are out of the competition. Hello, do you understand what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying?